And the race is on. Queen of Class, Ice Storm, Mind That Wind. Down on the inside is Miss Manila. Rather, Miss Chanel. It's now Miss Chanel, Ice Storm, Queen of Class. Alongside is Mind That Wind and Creation. Mind That Wind, Miss Chanel, Ice Storm. Alongside is Creation. Queen of Class racing impeded by Sam Tulangs. Rounding the far turn, Mind That Wind by Alan Kehab, followed by Creation 1A, Queen of Class on the outside, Missional Ice Storm, as they race the final corner. Mind That Wind, Creation, Queen of Class on the further outside. Ice Storm down on the inside is Miss Chanel. Then comes Gallo de Arlo and Henry Sugar. Mind That Wind, Creation, Queen of Class racing on the outside, but still Mind That Wind. And finally, Mind That Wind. 1A Creation, Queen of Class, Gallo de Arlo, Henry Sugar, Ice Storm, Anonymous, Wildline Chaser, and Miss